A very common replacement item these days. And yes, it's a replacement. There's still a radiator shop in town, and I was surprised at the things they can do. But I can buy these for $150, and it'll cost that to get it up to the repair shop and have them put a new seal in it. This is an 06 Avalon. I'm sure this is a factory radiator, and right there's what happens. They've got an O-ring or just a flat rubber seal, and they crimp these plastic tanks on top of it. And of course these plastic tanks will shrink and the seal will shrink and the crimping isn't tight anymore, and then you got a leak. But hey, it's about $200 to change it, so it's not a big issue.